Good morning. Welcome to a day with Honest doing truck mods and car mods and stuff, right? So today I'm working on my 2017 Tacoma. Now, if you have a third gen Tacoma, you'll know, let me get here, that when you open it, if this thing's lifted, right? Obviously, you have the little foot things. You have nothing to grab onto besides the steering wheel, right? And that can, you're pulling on a steering wheel, it's probably never good. But for some reason, Toyota decided to put a grab bar over there, but not over here. So what I did was I got sick of it, and I've always been looking for one, but I just haven't really found one. Went on Amazon. This company, no idea what the fuck it is. About $100. Give you this nice little kit. They give you this whole they give you this whole grab bar. It's pretty nice, dude. Like really good quality. They retain the little SRS thing, little caps for it. Give you directions and gloves in case you're a bitch. The little covers, little pop tool that probably really doesn't do anything, and the hardware. So you're gonna be doing that. So yeah, let's get to it. All right. So essentially, what you're gonna want to do first, you want to take this off. There's like a little bolt behind it, and then we're gonna take this off too. You should be able to pull off, but we'll get that. They give you this thing. It's not really good. It's not really flat enough. So what you want to do is you take a little pick, put it in there, take it off, and then we'll take that off. So that came off pretty easy, and then slowly just get some leverage on it, pull up. Make sure you don't damage your speaker right there. I don't know if I did. Nope, feels fine to me. So the good thing about the kit is they give you a little 10 mil tool to help take that off, and then once you get that off, that whole thing will come out. So when you take that out, pull it up and towards you, and it'll come out. You might hear some weird noises, but you're good. Make sure you put your cables away, and that's for my radar detector, or not my dash cam. So we'll just throw that over there. So now, what Toyota, right? If you notice, so that was the bolt that we took out. If you look down here, there's another one. So Toyota, and I'm assuming it's because over in Japan everything is right-hand drive, so instead of the grab bar being over there, they put it on this side, so it gives you the option. So what the kit does is they give you this thing. So what we'll do is we'll put that on there, put it on there just like that to where the hole lines up. That thing's already threaded, so we ain't got to worry about that. Then we'll go get the new grab bar. So you can reuse the old bolt. Comes with a washer. I don't know if that washer is important. It doesn't look like it. I think it's just in there. Yeah, because this one doesn't really require it. So you can use this, or you can use the ones that they supplied. So we're going to use the ones that they supplied because uniformity. So one of the important things, right? You got a big tab, small tab. Make sure these go in first. Make sure you do not fuck up that speaker, or it's gonna sound like a 90s Honda Civic with the world's biggest subwoofer and not enough amperage. All right, so got that in. If you can tell, I'm still working on patience, so I couldn't sit there with fucking that one tool and knowing that I have a ratchet, like, I don't know. Yeah, but tighten that, and then you'll tighten that, and then you put the thing back on, and you're good to go. That's on there. Give it the old fucking test. Yeah, put the covers back on. And they make these pretty dumb proof. Obviously that says up, that says lower. You can't be dumb with this stuff. Like, I mean, it's crazy that they had to put this on there, because we've all had the little shape thing and we would put it in the block. That's right, this square hole. But I mean, they have to do this now because today's generation's cooked. And just like that, that's back in, that's in, and you are now a certified Toyota ASE ME or ASME mechanic. So yeah, good job.